Thank you, Thomas the Train. You're welcome, Mr. Emerald, aka Green Rocks. Welcome to Timmie Play Time. This is Thomas the Train. Jungle Quest.
Wow!
I'll show you both sides. This is one side. This is the other side. This is the other side. And this is the back.
Wow!
This is Thomas the Train.
Wow!
Thomas must save the emeralds from the gorilla.
Oh no!
The gorilla is holding emeralds, aka green rocks. I can see the emeralds. I'll go there fast. Oh no, the emeralds are stuck. I'll let it go. There. Thank you, Thomas the Train. I'll follow you. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. Emerald. Okay, Thomas. Yay! Thomas saved the emeralds. Thank you, Thomas. Do you like today's adventure? Comment down below if you like the adventure. Thanks for watching. Please like and please subscribe. Goodbye.